Hey guys, welcome back to Graybeard Garage. My name is Matt, and this weekend we're up on the property, and apparently I think it's the weekend where everything breaks, which we kind of expected some things to go wrong. I have a video of us having to fix the plumbing in our little outhouse, and so that'll go up also. You'll probably see that before you see this. And then also the trailer is, well, the decking's done. Let's put it that way. So it's completely rotten out, and we're gonna have to replace all the decking. We tried to load our tractor on here and it went right through. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like. So here's where we tried to load the tractor on and it went right through. Truth be told, I kind of knew these were getting to be a little rotten, but I didn't realize they were that bad. Well, when I was loading the trailer on Friday with some stuff we were bringing up here, I actually fell through this one. So yeah, I knew this one was bad, but I didn't realize they were all starting to get really bad. So we're gonna replace this decking while we're up here, I think. Because we really can't do anything with the tractor without this being fixed. So I think that's what we're gonna do while we're up here on the property, is get this repaired and finish that sink, which you'll see that video also, probably before this one. So guys, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna run into town to the Lowe's there in Live Oak and grab some lumber that we need. Went ahead and cut through a couple boards real quick, and you can see they're getting a lot of water damage to them. So we're gonna just go ahead and, like I said, replace them all. But I wanted to show you that real quick, what they looked like when I was cutting through them. And you can see that water's penetrated all the way down. All right, guys, so I have almost all the decking tore off, and I basically just cut them and ripped them off in sections. These screws I used were self-tapping metal screws, and they're just not wanting to come out, so I'm having to pry the boards out with this, like in between them, and kind of pop them up. And the ends are so rotten, they're just falling off the ends. So anyway, we're almost done. Then we're gonna run in and pick up some new boards and some screws and reassemble this thing. Okay, so now we have all our decking off. I'm gonna cut it up, pull these screws out, and we'll get our new wood. This is the decking that we just pulled off here. And then also a big old pile that I've cut up over there. So we'll burn all that off tonight. Fortunately, this was not pressure treated, so I don't care about burning it. It's fine. These out, and since they're all stripping because they're rusted, we're gonna go ahead and use our cutoff wheel. All right, so we took our cutoff and we cut out all those screws that were in here. So now it's nice and clean. They're devoid of screws. Now we can get our new planking. Well, it's 7:40. We've had dinner and we went to Lowe's and we got lumber. So this trailer's actually just shy of 16 feet. So you can see there's a hangover here. We got to trim that off. Laid the boards down. We got some self-tapping metal screws, and that's what we're going to use to fasten this down. So I'm going to get these cut to length, lay down the decking, and screw it in. All right, guys. Well, it is 9:42, and I've got the boards secured well enough for us to pick up our tractor tomorrow. But I need to get the backside done, and then I need to also come up here to the front. I need to put a row across the front. This is a lot thicker steel on the bottom. It's basically this kind of angle iron, so I'm gonna get a different drill bit to sink those screws in, but that's it. So our trailer now is completely redecked, and the total cost to redeck it with the screws and the boards. And I had to buy number 3 Phillips bits for these. Total cost was $260.
Yeah.
Well, minus the sink thing we got, which was was $24, so $240 basically. So that's what it took to get this thing completely redecked, and we're ready to roll. So tomorrow we'll be able to do some tractor work. Hey guys, if this is the kind of content you like to see, hit that thumbs up button and give us a like. And if you think this is something that someone else might find useful, go ahead and share that out. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And for those of you that have subscribed, thank you very much, as it does help the channel out greatly. So guys, we'll see you here next time on Graybeard Garage. As always, my name is Matt. And remember, you can do anything if you put your mind to it.